3 years ago, Kidzu embarked on a project to create an inclusive STEM learning experience, while also addressing the need to connect children with the outdoors and the environment. We received a grant from the Institute of Museum and Library Services to achieve these goals. Kidzu developed Discovery Packs, which are small kits, each with a specific theme that families could check out for free. They were designed to be engaging, playful outdoor activities used in our outdoor garden space.
I just discovered that this leaf program, first you peel off the part of the stem, then you start writing whatever you want,
These Discovery Packs were then packaged into Discovery Boxes, which were geared towards educators with larger groups of children and aligned with the school curriculum. In response to the pandemic, Kidzu made the Discovery Packs and Boxes available virtually. All of the virtual material is open sourced and some is available in Spanish and Mandarin in addition to English.
Hi everyone, this is Allie from Kidzu, and today I am a lepidopterist. That's a scientist who studies butterflies and moths. And I want to tell you today about our newest Discovery Pack. It's called Beautiful Butterflies. Here it is. It is a pack that you can check out for free from the museum at the welcome desk. You can also go to our Kids on Home website, click on Discovery Packs, and have a look at these booklets here. Kidzu has many of these kinds of Discovery Packs, all with different themes. So here's Beautiful Butterflies. So if you go to the website, you can actually have a look at a digital version of this booklet, and it lists all the activities that come in the Discovery Pack, and you can try it at home just with materials that you may have at home. But we can go through today the different things that come in the pack if you were to look at the actual pack from the museum. Every pack comes with the booklet I just showed you, but it also comes with a nice storybook and an assortment of activities. Some of them are more dress-up play. You can pretend to be a butterfly. Some of them are more scientific. You've got some measuring tape and hourglass to take some observations of butterflies. Also a lovely pocket guide for North Carolina butterflies and moths to help you identify some butterflies that you might see outside. It's also got this really nice life cycle of a butterfly, a monarch butterfly, egg, larva or caterpillar, the chrysalis, and the butterfly. And you also have an opportunity to make your own butterfly. I made this one out of a coffee filter and a peg. And it comes with some pretend flowers that I've set up here, so you can have your butterfly fly from flower to flower and make it pollinate the flowers. It also lastly comes with this, which you're allowed to wrap around yourself and pretend to be a butterfly in your chrysalis, and then you can hatch into a beautiful butterfly.
Hi everyone, it's Darien from Kidzu here to explain a little bit about Discovery Dash. So Discovery Dash is our new challenge that we have designed to enhance the experience with our Discovery Packs. By participating in Discovery Dash along with any of our 11 Discovery Packs, children can explore the possibilities of outdoor learning and record the activities that they complete along the way to earn prizes. Let's take a look at how Discovery Dash works. With this activity tracker, you'll be able to track how many activities you complete with badges. There are two kinds of badges. We have B badges and Discovery badges. You'll receive a B badge for each activity that you submit to Kidzu. For every 5 activities, you'll get a Discovery badge. The Discovery badges correspond to the different Discovery Packs that Kidzu offers. But you can complete activities from any pack and then choose which badge you'd like once you reach your 5th one. So, for example, if I have completed 4 activities, my tracker might look a little bit like this, with 4 Bs. So once I complete my 5th activity, maybe I'll choose to receive the Nocturnal Nature badge. And I'll place that here. But you don't have to track your activities in order. So I could also put my Bs like this. And I still have 4 Bs, so on my next activity that I record, my 5th activity, maybe I'll choose the Garden Predators badge. And I'll put it here. So there are 2 different ways that you can use your tracker. So let's take a look at what kinds of activities you need to complete to earn badges. This is the back side of the Discovery Dash tracker page. By completing any of the following activities, you'll receive a B badge. If you read 1 book from any Discovery Pack, finish 1 STEM activity, art activity, or outdoor activity from any Discovery Pack, attend a Kidzu virtual program and events will specify whether they qualify, if you share a photo of a Discovery Pack activity that you've completed on social media with the hashtag Kidzu Discovery Dash, and if you complete the survey on Kidzu at Home to tell us how you enjoyed our Discovery Packs. Once you have completed an activity, you'll need to submit it to Kidzu so that we can get you your badge. You can submit activities online through the Discovery Pack page on Kidzu at Home, or in person at the museum during your visit. Now you might be wondering why you want to receive so many badges. Well, the more Discovery badges you receive, the more prizes you'll earn. For 5 total activities or 1 Discovery badge, you'll receive a temporary tattoo. For 3 Discovery badges, you'll receive a plantable seed pack. For 5 Discovery badges, you'll receive a Discovery magnifying glass. For 7 Discovery badges, you'll get a $5 coupon for a Kidzu virtual program. For 9 Discovery badges, you'll receive a free Heart of the Hive kit. And for 11 Discovery badges, if you complete the entire challenge, you will receive our grand prize, which includes 1 entry to win a full Discovery Pack. The child will receive their name on our Discovery Explorers wall, and you'll receive a bee puppet. Kidzu's Discovery Dash is available for free on our website, and it is also available in our outdoor garden. For more information about Discovery Dash and our 11 Discovery Packs, feel free to visit the Kidzu at Home tab on our website. Bye!